So now I'm going to talk to you about how we're going to log into the site. You just have to add a little code to the URL, a little type some basic, really simple things. It's a / on the URL. Now this is the temporary domain, but very short time it'll be clevelandrockandsoul.com / So you see the / WP-admin. That's how you get into the login screen for the website. So that's what your login screen looks like. You just put in your username and password, hit login, and you get to the back end. That's how simple it is. So the only thing you have to remember is / WP-admin.
And the password is?
Well, we're going to set that up now.
It hasn't been set up yet for you.
Because we're going to determine that. So here are our users. Okay, it's me and Josh. I'm going to add some new users. So I'm going to put, let's use a rule of thumb, or what we call a naming convention. And I think it's important to use your Gmail. Yep. And buddy. Neighbor. And now, I can do this one of two ways. If you want to give me your password now, we could use that one.
Password for my Gmail account?
Yeah, we'll use the one we just used, which is and you can change your password anytime you want.
Sure.
So this is a weak password, but I'm not too concerned about that, but I would advise at one point to make it more complex.
Okay.
And you don't need it sent to you. You're going to be the highest level, which is the administrator, which means you can mess up things. Now, good news. I back up everything.
Okay.
So if you find yourself in a messed up situation, I can restore it. I can restore it to the previous day. So that's the good news. So we're going to add you. And there you are. Okay, now chat. Let's do you. You want to decide on your password? Now there's another way you could do this. You don't want to have to give us your password. And I could just have it sent to your email, and then when you log in for the first time, you make your password. So if you have like your granddaughter you want to make an administrator, it's easy to do that under users, just like we're doing here. Okay, again, same thing. We got to confirm weak password. I would suggest you change it. And there you go. So now you're at it as a user.
Add caps and lowercase.
Yeah. Anything you can do. I would always suggest you do that. So there you go. You're in. You're a user, and now we're going to test it by you doing it on your computer. But let me show you a couple of things. Watch here just for a minute, buddy. The black bar. Remember the black bar. That's the most important part. I'm going to log out, and you're going to see this black bar disappear. So here's the website. So this is how now the website appears, and this is the way it looks to a user. Once you log in as an administrator, which is again that / and I could put a login. The problem is I'm not going to put a login right now up here because it opens it up to the public. And
if a hacker finds it,
then he's just going to go in there. You've got weak passwords, so why make it easy for him?
Yeah.
So that's why this is the hardest part you're going to have to do. You're just going to have to go / WP admin. There's also WP login. And I'm saying that for the benefit of the video, .php. Now, some browsers may give you trouble, and so if you can't get in WP-admin, use this one, wplogin.php. Go in.
WP hyphen, huh?
Yeah. Yep. Okay, you can hit remember me, which I won't do here. And then that way, every time you go here, you may never have to go through the login again. So when you go to Cleveland Rock and Soul, it'll just bring you here. And you'll have that black bar at the top. And this is your profile.